thought that was you up there.
Yeah.
You just get here? I mean, when I saw you up there?
About 15, 20 minutes
Yeah,
ago, yeah.
exactly. Cool. So what's new?
Nothing. Just came from class. So
Did you? Have you decided to join swim yet?
Yep.
Nice.
I haven't talked to Doug or anything, but yeah, I'm gonna.
Nice.
I've started to do cardio, but just like Stairmaster stuff at the gym.
That's good.
But,
that's awesome.
Yeah, once Luke's done with conference and state and everything, I'm gonna go to CBU with him.
Nice.
For the summer.
Proud of you, man. Proud. Good. You know the Stairmaster? The Stairmaster. Electrical. You walk up, not just bounce up and down. You literally walk up it. Do that one.
The actual stair one?
Oh, do that one.
I've never tried that one.
Dude, I'm not kidding. It is something. For cardio, it's awesome. And you don't need to go, you know, at a fast pace. Actually, you don't want to go at a fast pace, you know. You just want to go distance, because even at a low, even at like level 5, and just do, you know, 1, 2, or 3 bars. Really doesn't matter. If you go for an hour, if you can last for an hour, big time. It is just an awesome cardio.
Yeah, I've been doing on the other one, the one that's just like that stair timer, about half hour at like 6.
Yeah, that actually is nothing compared to. You'll see the difference when you get on the other one.
Yeah.
It's a big difference.
I'll have to try that one out.
Yeah. You don't have any knee issues, right?
Knee? No.
Yeah. Okay, because that would be the only thing that it might. For 2020, that would be the only thing that it might affect, you know. But if you walk properly, as far as weight distributing your weight, good, you know, on the balls of your feet and your heels, and use your quads to lift you to the next step, then you'll be fine. Because then you won't be using your knees a lot, you know.
That's basically what happens with the other one. It's just a lot of a workout in the quads, more than the hams, but
absolutely,
yeah,
absolutely, yeah. And the good thing about that is, what I like to do is, I'll go distance and I'll go low, but I can also do, because I love to do my kickboxing, so I'll actually go slow enough to do back kicks. I mean, so you can up your routine as far as intensity, yeah. Well, because I can't quite do the things I used to, but I want to get the cardio in there, and I want to do the muscle groups, so it works. It's a really good one. I used to do the